Good morning. Leaving Puente la Reina. It is day 5 on the Camino Francés, and I am just about to exit the city on this exit over the bridge, very famous, and it's 20 kilometers to Estella, so it's going to be a short day. It's going to start raining this afternoon, so we got to get it done as quickly as possible. But yeah, once we're over the bridge, we're out and we're on our way. Flat day, so looking forward to it. Lekker, buen camino. Beautiful morning out of Puente la Reina. A little bit of mist over the forest here. The road takes you on these dirt trails skirting a little bit of farmland, and on the other side is forest, a bit of a mountain ahead. But yeah, very, very beautiful. Very fresh, crisp, quiet, all of the good things. So I got going a little bit late this morning. I woke up when other people started making noise and whatever, and it was already 7:15. And the albergue Gares offered a breakfast, which was toast and jam and coffee, of course. Breakfast of champions on the Camino. Carb overload. Anyway, at least it was something, so I could get going. And yeah, so now I'm just past quite a lot of Danish pilgrims, and yeah, on my own, and yeah, enjoying the scenery. So as I was saying today, I had to rebook at Estella because I was supposed to be there last night. So it was a double whammy for me, but it is what it is. And yeah, so short day today, and then we'll see. And then after that it's Los Arcos and Logroño, so it's not very much kind of what you can do if you want to stay in Logroño, and that's the 2 days, and that's what you're going to do. So, and then after Logroño, you maybe make up a little bit of time. Okay, I see uphill here, so I'm going to stop talking, start walking. So first little incline after Puente la Reina, which yeah, is fairly substantial. So yeah, you'll know about it when you do it. And yeah, it's getting warmish already, and it's early, so yeah, it's a short day, so there's that. But otherwise, no wind, very few clouds in the sky. So all is good. And there's the sun. So entering the town of Mañeru, beautiful church up there, and it's all quiet here. Still quite early, so I don't think many people are out and about. Sun is behind me, and the route takes you through the center of this town. Of course, an important thing, and here are Pellegrinos in the front having some refreshments. How you doing? Good. I don't know if that is running with bulls, but it looks like running with some wine in a drum and some dogs. Let's just see if we can get that. So I don't know if that is running with bulls or running with dogs or running with wine, but that's obviously what they do in Mañeru, and some entertainment. So they've got a stage set up here in the square, and then the route takes you around the back. And beautiful little town, really cute. And off it goes. Yeah, let's go. No time for breakfast now. Distance there you can see kind of mountains, beautiful mountains with kind of peaks with stone, and here we've got the start of the vineyards, right? We're almost ready to get to La Rioja, so the wine country, and yeah, we can drink a bit more wine, less beer, maybe. Since they serve their red wine cold, can't see why not. So they're big time into sunflowers, yeah. And I'm assuming when the sunflower, I mean, they look so sad to me. They're all facing downwards, like, hey man, where's my water? Please bring me some water. But I'm assuming that this is the kind of the season, and then they probably get harvested. I don't know, for oil or for seeds, or for both. There in the sky are those trails from the plains, and we're walking through some prickly affairs. So I'm dodging with the thorns. So entering the village of Kuchikuri. I don't know. I'm going to find out now what the village's name is, but it's something like that. Starts with a Q. So makes it quite interesting. But it's beautiful. It's on a hill, and the church right up there on the top. And it is 7.5 kilometers out of Puente la Reina. So heading towards the halfway mark of the day. No, it starts with a C, sorry. Cirauqui. I suppose how you say it. Good morning, how are you doing? Good, good. So what I couldn't get right was that Cirauqui, beautiful village. And of course, when the town's on the hill, then you're going to be going up, right? Reminds me a bit of Italy. Not so much of Spain. Spain, it's more in the valley. Here it's more, Italy's more on the hill. Hey. Town Squareage. And it takes you through here. Hi there. With some stampage here. Very nice little village. Cirauqui. So if you wanted to do a split day and you didn't want to do the normal stops, then this would be a good stop, I think. It'll take you 8 kilometers past Puente la Reina. So if you wanted to do 35, 36, then this would be the split. Laurence and Sophie. Sophie's knee's feeling better today, so which is a good thing. No problem. Okay, no one's got any donations here today, but I'm sure on a good day there are, and there's some chairs and tables under the olive trees. Very sweet. Echo! I think it's the third or fourth echo.
Hello.
It's Christmas time.
Yeah.
I don't know how long this has been here.
It's usually just in the morning, but is this full?
It is full, yeah. So entering Lorca. Oh, out of breath a bit. Walking with Tom. Yeah, beautiful church here. And was trying to find a bar and have a cool drink. Maybe a beer. What do you think, Tom? Too early. I know, I saw you. You did a good job. It's hot, and above all, it's humid. So I can see the bar. So leaving Lorca after fresh tortilla from a Colombian lady, and yeah, having 2 beers with LOD and Sofia, and now we're heading to Estella. Figs. No.
No, it's.
What is that? It's not chestnuts, eh? Chestnuts? Okay. Yeah, it's macadamia. Not right now. I did try and fly my drone here, but yeah, like always, a lot of birds around the churches, so I'm a little bit more cautious. And here we've got San Ferramundo watching over the church. See you, San Ferramundo. So it's about 18.8 kilometers, and it's 3.2 kilometers to Estella, so almost there, another half an hour or so. So we slowly but surely, and you can feel the weather changing, so the wind is coming up a little bit, and the clouds are coming over. Here we go. It's 3 o'clock. Is that 3 o'clock? So it is going to rain, matter of time. But the rain of last night and the thunder and the lightning was unbelievable. So this route today takes you through these little villages. Most of them are very nice. So it's kind of village to village, which breaks it up a bit. And in between, yeah, next to the road, walking humid, very humid, and hot and sticky, which makes it a little bit more challenging, but otherwise, yeah, a good day's hike actually. Nice stop for a cold refreshment, so what more can you ask for? So this last 3 kilometers into Estella is goes through this kind of botanical park thing. The stage is pretty hot and a little bit tedious. So as I said, it's just pretty much road and trees. So I can see some buildings. So I know I'm close, but yeah, it's at the moment. Are we there yet? No, that type of thing. Yeah. So eventually entering Estella, almost 23 kilometers later, and as is customary, there's albergue right as you enter, and it's right next to the river, overlooking the river, so that's quite something. And they've got some kind of sluice maneuver going on here. Wow, okay. Hola, buen día.